Hello friends, how are you all doing? Welcome to this video. I'm William and today I want to talk to you about something really cool. Woodworking. It's an amazing activity that some people do as a job and others as a hobby. Woodworking has always fascinated me because of the incredible things you can create or sculpt out of wood. Many people want to start their own woodworking projects, like building a kid's playhouse or a dog house, but have absolutely no experience. Believe me, I've been there. I tried making a dog house once and it was a disaster. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to TedsWoodworking, a guide that offers over 16,000 plans, guides, and designs to help you out. Whether you're looking to change careers and start working with wood, enhance your hobby, or create unique items you can't find in stores, this guide is perfect for you. Ted's Woodworking is a comprehensive resource for everyone, regardless of skill level. Whether you're an advanced woodworker or have no skills at all, this guide will help you build amazing projects. It provides detailed instructions for each project, including the tools you'll need, the type and size of wood, and even the number of nails required. With Ted's Woodworking, even a complete beginner can build something impressive from scratch. One of the best things about Ted's Woodworking is its simplicity. It's designed to be easy to use and understand, making it accessible for everyone. People have even built houses using these plans. Whether you're interested in starting a woodworking business or just want to enjoy it as a hobby, Ted's Woodworking is a valuable resource. I've included a link to the official Ted's Woodworking website in the description box below this video. If you're interested in purchasing the guide or want to learn more about it, that's where you should go. They have some fantastic prices right now, so don't miss out. Thank you for watching. I hope I've helped you out and that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.